And then people, what you gotta remember is, see this part here. Don't try to get that on and bend that on because you're not just, it's just not gonna do it, yeah? So put your fitting on over it, then put it on, and then what happens is that'll screw on. Because what you want is, if you try to bend that on it, you're just gonna bend the shower and everything's gonna go. So twist, push down, and then screw it in. And don't forget to like, share and follow, because all my videos are for free for everybody. So I make my money off the likes and the shares and the subscribes. So if you're kind enough to like my videos and watch my content, don't forget to like, share and follow. And then you just get that bump screwed straight into that, like it. Don't screw it that far. Ooh. See what I mean? That must have been just on borderline. Always test the product, because if we don't, we don't know if it's done. Yeah. Is that a bit too tight? Okay, too tight. This is the only thing I actually don't like about the shower. Everything else, good. This is a bit tricky. This is why you have to be bang on. And always remember, everything's live. We don't edit out. We don't edit out, cut out. Beautiful. Now, we've got 2 Allen keys in there. This frame here, all you got to do is, we want perfection, yeah? I want it bang on. So it's bang on, so make sure you pull it out of the frame, and then all you do is tighten the Allen key up. And this side. And we move that up. I'm 6'4". In fact, that's a bit high. Make sure you got your washer in there. Screw your shower head on. This is a very, very good shower. Screw your head on, you can tilt it back like that, so if you want it showering over onto you, and it can go like that. Last but not least, you've got your rail. The sloping part goes to the shower head, yeah? Make sure you got your washer in it. Turn the shower on. Mark! Mark, put water back on, please. Tighten the shower on. Always put it below there, because then if it falls, it doesn't land in the shower. Might put all his fingerprints off it. Might as well do it while you go, you see. I'm doing is I'm just going to fire it out there before I put the nozzle on. Make sure there's no bits in the shower even though I've cleaned it out. And that is how we fit a Bristan overhead shower. Bish bash bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow, and don't forget to subscribe. There we go. Another beautiful job done. These flippers are a really good idea. Just allows you to get in. There's more room than poke to go through there. Look at the difference of that, taking that stack out. Boards, floor, we've plied it. Always diamond formation. Always looks better. But them showers and cubicles are absolutely stunning. Tidy. Beautiful. Another job done by MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how it's flying away. It's not even getting past halfway. You know why that is? Because MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms put it in. Don't forget to like, share and follow. This was another challenging job with this waste pipe, which you've seen in the video what we've taken out. Cast stack internal with a nightmare, but look at the difference. Look at the difference. It is beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If anybody would like any work done from me, I work in Crossgates, Barnsley, Castleford, Wakefield, this side of Leeds, anywhere around Leeds really, but only this side of Leeds. I don't like travelling miles past the Armley Drive area because it's travel time and it's just not worth it for us. So if you live this side of Leeds or Castleford or Barnsley or anywhere near that, get in touch. My phone number's on my page, and you can find me on Checker Trader. Bish bash bosh.